We Okay, we're almost... Okay, guys, we're almost there, and, what's that? It's a campfire run by our friends! Hi, guys, how's it going? Oh, hi, Bumblebee. How's it going? I just asked you the same thing. I'm doing fine, very well, thank you. Thank you very much. That's what I meant to say. What am I even saying? Oh, my mask is the... Okay. Focus. There we go. Hi, guys. How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? Hi, Cody. Oh, hi. Oh, hi, Dusty. You scared me. Again. Yeah. Hey, Cody, I have to tell you something. What is it? I'm pregnant. What? 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 Say what? Just in case you guys have forgotten about me, my name is Boris. And this is Bumblebee, just in case you forgot. Bumblebee transforms into a stupid Camaro. Wait a minute. Remember, Bumblebee spinoff coming this Christmas. Be at the theater. And Boris, I'm not a stupid Camaro, okay? This little stupid Camaro packs his punches. I'm rolling out now. Remind me not to call him a stupid Camaro the next time. Ow. That's what you get. That's what you get, goose poop. Okay. Yo, Leo, my brother. Hey, Mikey. Hey, did you get the pizzas? Did you get the pizzas I promised you? Did you get the pizzas? No, but I've got something better, Mikey. Doritos. Yas! What was that? What was that, Humphrey? I don't know. I know that honk anywhere. Lightning! Lightning! Mac? I didn't come alone. I brought Red with me. Oh, hi, Red. with Red? He's still mad at you for killing his flowers. Tell him I said sorry. Will do, McQueen. Anyway, I just wanted to drop by, so, see ya. Okay, I made it back. Since you built a little campfire, why don't we just go to sleep? Yeah, good idea. Good idea. All right, now. Get over here, Woody. Okay, Miles. That was for getting the jump on me, goose poop. Well, good night.